Princess Anne has publicly acknowledged King Charles' health battles by thanking those who have extended words of support. The 73-year-old was visiting a charity pony centre in London when she smiled and said thank you as the chief executive of the British Horse Society, BHS, of which she is vice-patron, told her, "On behalf of all of us here, I would like to pass on our sincere thoughts to His Majesty the King at this time and to your family." The monarch's sister appeared in good spirits as she toured the Wormwood Scrubs Pony Centre in West London today, just 3 days after the King announced his shock cancer diagnosis. She was the latest member of the royals to receive the support of the public in person after Prince William acknowledged well wishes for both his wife and father at a charity gala on Wednesday evening. During her engagement at the Pony Club, however, Princess Royal kept the focus on the work of its founder, Sister Mary Joy Langdon, and the celebration of the charity's 35th anniversary. She paid tribute to Sister Mary Joy in a 2-minute speech, describing her contribution and commitment as exceptional, before she unveiled a plaque commemorating the visit. "We owe her a debt of gratitude for that commitment here," the princess said. "It was a pretty muddy field then, and probably still quite a muddy field now. But all of the things that have happened since then are a testament to her understanding of people and of the ponies and the horses that work together with them. Nobody really understands it better." She appeared grateful and thankful when Sister Mary Joy told her, "We wish you and your family well at this time." As the princess cut the cake, she also joked with the gathered guests, telling him, "The instructions are that you will eat it if I cut it, because otherwise it's just legalized vandalism." She toured around the Wormwood Scrubs Pony Centre with BHS President Martin Clunes, from Doc Martin, and BHS Chief Executive James Hick. They saw how the centre benefits hundreds of children and people in the local area through riding and equine therapy. During the tour, the princess met with the club's volunteers and riders, watched a display in the indoor arena and handed out participation medals to riders and teenagers whose lives have been changed by a BHS-led initiative. The initiative, Changing Lives Through Horses, is a program for disengaged children to develop life skills by caring for and being around animals. The princess made a group of teenagers who had taken part in the initiative laugh after she asked whether they had signed up for the course or been dragged along by their friend. Actor Clunes is patron of the BHS-approved centre, near Westfield, London, and is a keen horse breeder and rider himself. He said, "What Sister Mary Joy has done here is literally change the fortune of thousands of children, literally in their thousands. Kids who had been consigned to tiny little wheelchairs because they had such catastrophic disabilities, then she'll say get that kid off the chair and stick it on a pony, and they're walking now. It's happened, more than once." The actor added, "I think the princess does like it here, because of course, she's forgotten more than most people will ever know about horses. We were just yakking about horses. I just got a new one 3 weeks ago that I was very keen to tell her about." On the subject of the King's health, he said that lots of people had sent their good wishes to her while she had been touring the centre. "She knew our thoughts were with the King," he added. Speaking after Anne had left, Mr. Hick said, "People were talking about the news about the King, and saying we all wish him well. It literally peppered around every conversation we had. It was such a warmth for the royal family. The BHS has got such a close connection and support from the royal family. His Majesty the King is somebody who is very close to our hearts and we wish him well and we touch wood that he is going to be good."